Hello and welcome to Language Engineer again. This is the second part of the German alphabet and we can continue. Nein, nein, Nase, Nase, O, Opa, Opa, Oma, Oma, P, Papa, Papa, Papagei, Papagei, Kuh, Kuh, Quark, Quark. And now we have a difficult letter for a lot of people. Rrrr, rrrr. So you need to vibrate this thing here in your throat. Rrrr. And I know a lot of Chinese have problems to make this sound. So you can imagine that you take water and put it in your mouth and you make this one. Rrrr, rrrr. Yeah, to bubble in your throat, and this is actually the sound for Rrrr. Ratte, Ratte. Rennen, Rennen. Okay. Z, Z. Summen, Summen. Sagen, Sagen. T, T. Tanzen, Tanzen. Toben, Toben. U, UFO, UFO. Unten, unten. V, V. Vogel, Vogel. Vater, Vater. V, V. Sounds a little bit like f, but it's a bit more soft. V, V. Was, was. Wasser, Wasser. And now the last three one. X, X. Xanthen, Xanthen. Xylophon, Xylophon. Y, Y. Yeah, here you can see Y, Y. And also here, it's the same as we already had before, but now we pay attention to the Y sound. Xylophon, Xylophon. And the last one, Z, Z. And Zebra, Zebra. And Zelt, Zelt. So now we are done, and now you're an expert in the German alphabet, but there will be still one more video about the German alphabet, and check this out.